Good morning, students. Welcome to our grammar session. In this video, we will learn the basics of letter writing. First, we will understand what is letter writing. Then, we will look into the formal letter. And finally, we will understand the format of formal letter writing. So, without a further go, let's get started. What is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another person, generally via post. The primary purpose of a letter is communication. Now, let's look into formal letter. A formal letter is written for official, business, or professional communication with a specific objective in mind. It uses simple language which is easy to read and interpret. In a formal letter, unnecessary details are totally avoided and it directly addresses the point for which the letter is written. Formal letters are written to institutions, government departments, etc. Now, we will discuss the basic format of a formal letter. A formal letter must have 8 things in it. Number 1. Writer's or sender's address. It is placed at the top left corner of the page. You have to write the sender's name, address along with the contact details, email ID. Number 2. Date. It is placed below the writer's or sender's address. You have to mention the date on which a letter is written. Remember, it should be in an expanded form. Number 3. Receiver's detail. Here you have to write a receiver's name, designation, name of the organization and address. Number 4. Subject. Subject is the agenda or purpose of writing the letter. It should be brief and if possible in one line only. It must convey the matter for which the letter is written. Number 5. Salutation. It starts from the left margin of the page, leaving a line below the subject. You can write Dear Sir or Madam. Number 6. Body of the letter. The content matter of the letter may be divided into paragraphs according to the shifting of the ideas expressed. Number 7. The complimentary clause. Here you will sign off at the bottom left corner of the page. It is a way to end the letter. It basically means goodbye in general terms. You can write yours faithfully if we don't know the person we are writing a letter. Yours sincerely if we know the person. Children, remember, yours will not have apostrophe. So do not put apostrophe in yours. Number 8. Sender's name, signature and designation. The writer must sign his name below the complimentary clause. Now let's understand the format once again. A formal letter must have 8 things in it. Number 1, sender's detail. Number 2, date. Number 3, receiver's detail. Number 4, subject. Number 5, salutation. A salutation is a greeting. Number 6, body of the letter. Number 7, complimentary clause like yours faithfully, yours sincerely. Number 8, sender's name, signature and designation. Now, let us begin with our letter. Here is our topic. Write a letter to your class teacher, leave of absence for yourself. First, write sender's or writer's address at the top left corner. Writer's address means your address as you're writing a letter. For example, 401 Seaview, opposite ICICI Bank, Bhiwandi, 421302. It should be followed by date. And as I told you, date should be in an expanded form. So write today's date, 10th December 2020. Now leave one line, write receiver's address. 2. The class teacher, the Scholars English High School, Bhiwandi. Now leave one line, write subject. As I told you, subject should be brief and it should be of one line. Here your subject is 5 days sick leave to absent from the class. Once again leave one line, write salutation or greetings such as respected ma'am or sir. After that, you can begin with your body of the letter, the main content. Write your name. I, Divya Shetty, roll number 10, beg to state that I have been suffering from chikungunya since Saturday. The doctor has advised me to take adequate rest and medication for at least 5 days. Second paragraph. Therefore, I humbly request you to grant me leave of absence for a period of 5 days from 11th December to 15th of December 2020, which if you do, I shall remain highly obliged. The doctor's certificate is attached herewith. After that, leave one line, thanking you. Finally, mention complimentary clause. You can write yours sincerely. And as I told you, do not put apostrophe. Below that, write your full name. So children, this was your formal letter. Now you have one homework and the topic is write a letter to your class teacher asking permission to leave early as you have fever.